Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I am here with a haul for you. I received an email from Echo Park, I want to say a couple of weeks ago. It took a little while for this to come in. So a couple weeks ago that they were having a warehouse sale and they had paper pads, like really good prices. I want to say like the 6x6s were like $2 each. They had ephemera for $2 each. They had like these craft packs for, I want to say $7 each. It was a really good deal. Anyway, I just wanted to share what I got, and you know, maybe you'll sign up for Echo Park's email so that you can get notified when they have these types of sales. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you the ephemera first. So I got the farmhouse kitchen. It is so cute. You can see what it looks like on the back there. I got the farm to table. This is the frames and tags. And here's what that looks like on the back. Then I got fall market. These are the frames and tags. You can see those there. And I got the Hello Autumn frames and tags. Here's what these look like. Then the Hello Autumn ephemera. Super cute. And I got a Halloween one. This one's called Halloween Market. This is ephemera. And here's what those look like. Then I got the ephemera for farm to table. And here's what those look like on the back. And let's see. We've got frames and tags for the Happy Fall collection. Those are cute. And then we've got Summer Market frames and tags. And Summer Market ephemera. Then Halloween Market frames and tags. And what is this one? This is I Love Halloween frames and tags. Then the I Love Halloween ephemera. She's so cute. Look at her. And here's what those look like. And then the farmhouse kitchen frames and tags. And here's what those look like. So there's the ephemera. And then I got, let's see, I got some chipboard accents. So I got, what is this one? This is the My Favorite Fall chipboard accent, so you can see all the cute chipboard stickers. And then this one is My Favorite Christmas. And this is the chipboard phrases, and this is the My Favorite Christmas. And let's see, this one is Here Comes Santa Claus. And then Happy Fall. And let's see. This is the Here Comes Santa Claus chipboard phrases. And this is the Happy Fall chipboard accents. This one's so cute. Look at that bear. I love that bear. And this is the Hello Christmas chipboard phrases. And what do we have here? This is the Hello Christmas chipboard accents. I love that snow globe up there. It's so cute. And then I found a circus chipboard set, you guys, for my circus project. I'm so happy. So this is the Chipboard Accents by Cartabella. It's just called The Circus by Stephen Duncan. So just a bunch of really cute circus-themed chipboard stickers. And then finally with the chipboard, this is the Chipboard Phrases by the Lumberjack Christmas, which I just love this collection. It's so cute. So there's those. And then I got, what are these called? I think these are called collection kits. And what comes in them? Kit contains 12 by 12 double-sided papers and a 12 by 12 element sticker. So this is called Little Lumberjack, and you can see all the little papers that it comes with there. And then on the back, it shows you all the stickers that it comes with. Then I got Country Christmas. And let's see the stickers. I just love those ladies. Like, they look like they're from the 1950s. So cute. And this one is called Homemade with Love. Look at those cute little pies. Love those. And this is what stickers it comes with. And let's see. This one is called Celebrate Autumn. And here's all the stickers. I love acorns. They're my favorite. Look at that big, huge acorn back there. Cute little fox. Let's see. This one is called A Perfect Christmas. Oh my gosh. Look at those little deers. So cute. And here's the stickers. And then we have Fall is in the Air. These are the ones that I think were $7, I'm pretty sure. I think these were the most expensive. And then here's what the stickers look like. And then finally I got 5 6x6 paper pads. So I got Wish Upon a Star. Oops. Oh, I didn't open them. Darn it. Sorry, guys. We'll take a little teeny tiny sneak peek into these. And oh, I opened all of them except for maybe that one, I think. Okay. Then I got the Little Lumberjack one. I love those bears. So cute. And then I got Winter Magic. I love them making little snow angels. That is so cute. Oh, I love those bears. Those polar bears. And then I got this, sorry guys, I got this super cute one. It's called It's Your Birthday. I just thought this one was so adorable. And then I think they gifted this to me, you guys, because I did not order this. So I'm gonna give this away to somebody right now. So all you have to do is tell me in the comments which item you thought you liked the best out of this haul, and tell me your favorite color. That way I'll know that you're wanting to enter to win this. So this is the 6x6 paper pad. It's Fish Are Friends. I didn't open it. I know that I will not use this, so I'm gonna send it to somebody that will use it. So, and I checked my order and they didn't not give me everything. They gave me everything. This was literally just an extra, so I'm wondering if they just sent me a gift. I'll try to show you as best I can what it looks like without opening it, but it's so cute. I think this would be really cute for like a boy for scrapbooking, or a little girl that just loves sea life. But anyway, super cute. So tell me what your favorite item was out of this haul, and tell me what your favorite color is in a comment down below. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.